Here's a brief little tour of our dealership here. So if you're walking in on one of the sides here of the showroom, you're going to open the door. You'll see the whole showroom floor, the sales tower. Our salesperson, Kane, right here. He's very friendly. He doesn't bite. And as you walk by Kane here, you're going to see the cashier's tower. There's a training room upstairs here. We have a coffee maker here with a water disposal, so you're going to have nice water coming out of the water cooler there. Our lounge, so if you're ever in service getting an oil change, you'll see that there. Here's our finance offices next to the restrooms here as well. As I walk through this door, we're going to go by our service director there, Angela, and into the service drive here. And in the service drive, this is where you're going to pull in for any of your basic maintenance, any of your oil changes, tire rotations. That's Katie, one of our service advisors. She's super friendly here as well. And just a brief look into the back here, I want to show you guys, this is where the mechanics are working on your vehicles. Here's a look at the other side of the showroom that you guys did not see here before. You're going to be working at one of these desks here if you're looking to purchase a vehicle and just wrap up the beginning portions of the paperwork. This is our new car side here, so you can see a look at all of our new cars panning on over. It's nice to see that full after some years of not having that so full. There's our front pad with some of the more new cars. We have some new Carnivals to the right here, and the rest of our used cars are over here as well. So yeah, we're a little bit of an older dealership, but that doesn't mean your experience is going to be any less comforting or any less desirable. So if you guys would like to set up an appointment with us here, call us here at 262-444-5445. We want to make sure you guys have a great experience. Otherwise, take care, enjoy the nice weather, and we'll see you guys soon.